Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can measure on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. So the main thing you're going to need to do to measure on Google Maps is to define the beginning and end point, or at least two different points depending on what you want to measure. Now, you do have more options within My Maps, and when you're creating your own map, you can check for a route that you have created or create a different route, which you can then check yourself. However, the basics are you just need 2 points, and that's pretty much it. Now on PC, if your location isn't on, you can just choose a location, select directions from here, or measure distance. And if you select measure distance, you can then click anywhere else. So for example, let's say Daniel, and as you can see, it is 1.72 kilometers distance. However, this is, well, from the air, I guess. So direct distance without taking into account any turns or something like that. But for example, if I place it like this, you can drag around this line and edit the points as you see fit. So for example, if I drag this here, as you'll see now, it's closer to 1.8 kilometers. Let's just set it up to 1.8, just like that. And now it's taking into account the road, and you can measure the exact distance. Now, if I turn that off, if I go to navigation, so directions from here and directions to here, for example, as you'll see, it'll create a road direction system from this point to this point, and it'll show you several different roads you can take or several different routes. It'll show you the distance. Now, because this is on Manhattan and everything is sort of in a grid-like pattern, pretty much all of these routes are the same distance, which is 0.9 miles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You have that option on your mobile phone as well. If you have your location on, then you can choose your current location as the start point and measure the distance to wherever you want to go by just tapping and holding that location, and it'll open up the distance between yourself and there, especially if you enter the directions mode, which is going to show you the exact measurements like I did previously. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.